guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be going solo in Animal Hospital. Let's go. Okay, we are here. Ooh, I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I'm kind of scared, but I hope it goes well. Hello. Let's get you checked in. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up because we already know what happens. Okay, we're done. Wait, I thought the shop was gonna be open for some reason. Wait, is it? No, it's not gonna be open. Okay, let's start our first shift. Oh, I mean our second shift. This person looks normal. Hey, they look normal. Got my coffee. You are in an anomaly. Oh my gosh. I'll have to clean this with my hand. Okay, this person looks normal. Let's get you all checked in. Okay, there you go. 4, okay. It's Barney. Good thing I saved this coffee. Hey Barney, here is your coffee. Of course. There you go. Bye. I'm gonna treat some patients meanwhile. More patients come in. Oh, it's an anomaly. Oh no, it's the window anomaly. Oh no, it's not. Sorry, we're closed. Gonna get some maple syrup. There we go. Oh, it's Raphael. Hi, Raphael. How are you? So cute. So cute. symptoms. Let's see. Bruises and a rash. Ooh. Need some ointment and a med kit. There you go. Fix up those bruises and treat that rash. Hello, Rafi. I'll just walk you to your room. Take your sample. Analyze. Let's see. Bleeding and a headache. For bleeding, you need some bandages. And for that headache, I could give you some medicine. Here you go. Okay, the shop is open. Probably not gonna buy anything though because I'm gonna save up my books. Coffee's ready. Tommy Blue. For your appointment. I don't believe you, so sorry, we're closed. Sorry. Anyways, this person, normal, Tofu Jung, chicken as a patient, okay. Okay, you look like your photo. Let's go ahead and get your badge. Room 2. That's perfect. Looks like we got another patient. Ren spiders. Check in as a patient. Okay, all good. Here you go. Room 6, okay. Oh, next person is indeed anonymous. Oh. Wait. It's this dude. I'll give him my coffee. Sorry, we're kind of closed right now. Sorry. Okay. This person also looks normal. Haru Wubo. Oh, visitors? Sorry. Don't take visitors. Yep. Well, they're kind of taking long, so I'm gonna go treat some patients. Looks great. Let's get you registered in. Oh, but you're a visitor. Sorry, we don't take visitors. It's a place where we don't take in visitors. Sorry about the wait, ma'am. Here are your IV drops. Oh, it's Matthew. Hi, Matthew. Are you gonna check in? Or... Hello? Are you gonna check in? Matthew. Okay. Here you go. I love the sound of the way he talks. He's like, and then the other people are like, boop, 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 boop. Well, you can boop, boop, boop your way out of here. Bye. Sorry. Oh, he scared me. To go take care of my other patients. Wait, is this purple? I thought it was blue. No, it's blue, right? Yeah. Bash bruises. And I need some maple syrup. Let me treat those bruises. This and this. Oh, hey Ron. How are you today? Okay. Ooh, patient on fire. There we go. All better now. It's not like I literally sprayed you with the fire extinguisher. Definitely not. Who would do that? Looks like you're my last patient that I'm checking in. Hannah Yamada. Room 2. Okay, I will be there. Looks like we got a person in the surgery room. It appears... Whoa! I was gonna say that it appears to be Ron. And it is Ron, but it's also the stalker. Okay, let's start the surgery. Antibiotics. Transplant. The biggest beefsteak. Scalpel. Scissors. 2 cups or bottles, whatever. Medicine and bandages. Okay. Now for this patient in here, which is Matthew. Let's do this really quick. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. Bleeding, fever, and dehydration. This, and this. Here you go. And our last patient. I was about to give you my coffee. That wouldn't be good. Okay, we did good. Oh, the shop is open. Let me see. Oh, I am going to get this chicken window because I do need that. And I got the taser. Looks like a normal photo. Yep, you are normal. Pumpkin sprout. There you go. Room 1, okay. You guys can both leave. Sorry. I'm not dealing with this right now. Another person on fire. I gotta get them some ointment. What a tough job. There we go. Fix this camera. And get these guys checked in. Wait a moment, please. I'm right here. Check the cameras. Everything looks fine. Check your picture. Okay, you guys are both just fine. Pay. Oh, it's Ron. Actually, I'm gonna put back the teaser. Hello. I'm gonna speed this up actually because it's taking quite a bit. Okay. Looks like we have an anomaly tech now. Hey, Dr. Harlow. It's time to get going. Oh, my coffee's ready. I'm gonna see people that are anomalies, people that aren't. That one was an anomaly. Ooh. There are many, many things to do. Visitor fainted. Come over here and eat this patient. We need to treat a patient. Hi, Dr. Harlow. Okay, looks like I did good. Ooh, I'm buying the green tea. I'm buying the green tea. Oh, I saw that Ron has like a little talk thingy. Said you've got someone the corporation's looking for. They're never gonna get me. Oh, okay. Okay, you guys, I'm kinda don't want to do surgery, so, yeah. I know, don't be in the comments like, what the heck, why did you kill a person? They were completely fine. Well, I know that they're completely fine, but like, look, I just don't want that pain, you know? Get the heck out of here. Oh my gosh. Farted on the floor. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Oh, somebody fainted. I'm not gonna help them. Like, that's too stressful. I just gotta live my life, you know? Oh my gosh, Ron! You're really a visitor. Oh, you're gonna be a roommate? Are you sure about that? Oop. Looks like somebody died. Why are there so many visitors? I need patience. Hello? Oh, is Ron gonna faint? Actually, I'll save Ron. There. Wait, what? Ron's immortal. Or maybe because he's not standing in the fire. How am I standing in the fire? I'm literally not. What the heck? I'm not standing in the fire, but whatever. Why is the ghost hugging me? This is taking very, very long. You know what? I'm done with this. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hey, Ron. Are you gonna watch me die? Or are you gonna leave? Actually, don't leave. Wait. Ron, you're leaving me to die? And you're closing the door on me? That's so rude. You know, I never liked you, Ron. That's so rude. Let me just put out this fire. Goodbye, cruel world. And I died. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. And if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.